For our Puppet of the Day series, we've been looking at dinosaur puppets, and today we have this Triceratops puppet that is made by Wild Republic. And I think they've done a very nice job of the screen printing on this fabric that gives all the nice colors and textures to the horns and the scales of this incredible dinosaur. And I think they've done a really nice job. It also has a sound feature. There's a little button inside the mouth, and when you click it, it roars. Yeah. So he is really great, and there's many more dinosaur puppets here at the Puppet Hideaway, so please keep watching.